Day 41 of Path to Profitability. It is February 10th, 10:53 p.m. It is a Tuesday night, and I don't really remember what happened on the morning trade. I was half asleep when I tried to take it. I didn't wake up on time for the alarm. Anyway, there were news at 8 p.m. New York, which was like 5 a.m. West Coast. So there were news. We didn't really wake up to see how those reacted, but I did look at the charts after the news around 7-ish West Coast, which was like 10 a.m. on New York, and see how that went. And when I went in there, I did manage to kind of like eyeball what would happen, in which after the news, I kind of like time lapse the manipulation that was going to happen, which did kind of align because from market open at 9 a.m. till 9:30 ish, it was like a full bullish run, and that was made to take some of the liquidity from previous days highs, from New York session highs. So it kind of like went on a bull on that, and then it went down. It went bullish, and that's when I set up an order that it was gonna go down if it did break the structure, and it did, which by the end I got half of it right. And what I didn't get right was the take profit. I was a couple ticks away from the take profit, didn't quite hit it, and then but it didn't hit it because it was kind of like a order block or fair value gap, I guess you could say, because it went down and then it was gonna go back up again to fulfill more orders, and then it went down and it would have taken my take profit, but I didn't have the patience to wait for that. I was trying to get out of it and get going with my day, so I closed the order. I didn't let it execute fully. I closed the order at $18 profit, which is like $1 profit of yesterday's loss, because yesterday was $17 loss. So right now for the week it's pretty much even. And had I waited, what's that? 1 more hour, I would have definitely taken the take profit fully, which was like $30, which is um, take back the loss from yesterday and then some more. But we didn't. And after that, the market kind of like just stayed stagnant, consolidated between two price ranges. Could have probably taken some trades, but that's not our style. Our style is mostly New York Open, and right now on Asian session, it's been going pretty constant on an uptrend, not as not so many big movements. It's been oscillating between 530 and 562, just going up and down, higher highs, lower highs, or higher lows, might mean. And that's kind of like just the uptrend that's been showing. Right now for London session, I'm guessing it's gonna right now I'm the 5-minute time frame, right? And it's been pretty solid how it's been movement. For the week, we've been seeing mostly an uptrend. What's been going on for the week? Yeah, because right now it's on Tuesday, and then tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday. So, and it's many sessions, 2 hours. On Monday, it was full on bearish, and then Tuesday, it's when it started kind of like moving towards an uptrend, which is kind of what I'm trying to see. And in general, it looks like it's gonna keep going on an uptrend. There are news tomorrow at 8 a.m., so we won't be looking at that, but we will be looking at the aftermath of how it will react. And my guess, it's gonna go up. Actually, no foreign payrolls, like we noticed. What's it called? I think it was last week or 2 weeks before. News don't really impact the ones that show me here, but still gotta be careful. So right now it's gonna, for the pre-analysis, it's that on London session, it's gonna consolidate for the vast majority, and then it's gonna definitely take some of the Asian lows. That way, for New York manipulation, it's either gonna go straight up or go down on the news, and then keep on going on the bullish action. Maybe that's something that could happen. So London session, fulfill some orders on, take out some of the Asian slows. By New York Open, get those highs, and maybe keep on moving on that trend. But we'll see how that goes.